Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel becoder.com. We are here to learn Python for beginners with sololearn. Okay guys, let's go to courses Python and open this playlist Python for beginners. Yes, this playlist and season.
Hi everybody, welcome to.
Let's meet to. Okay, we are in the start of season 5. Actually, about lists. Okay, let's go to learn about lists. Lists are used to store items. We can create a list by using square brackets with commas as pairing items. For example, words equals these items are a value for a list that is named words. Okay, so how many items are in the following list? I think it is 1, 2, 3, and 4 item in this list. If you want to access a certain item in a list, you can do this by using its index in square brackets. For example, there is a list in here. We can say print words 0, it means print hello. Print words 1, it means print world, and print words 2, it means print this sign. What is the result of this code? It is a list and has some items. Print nums2, it means print 0, 1, 2, and print 3 in here. Lists can hold different data types such as strings and numbers. For example, there is a list that has strings as a actually value, and there is a list that has numbers as a value. So print x1, it is print b, print y3, it is print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go. Fill in the blanks to create a valid list. N is a list, and there must be some brackets in first and end, and it is that items. But lists aren't just for shopping. We can do some pretty cool stuff with them in Python. For example, we can use nested lists to represent 2D grids, such as matrix. For example, there is a list that is such as a matrix. This is useful because a matrix-like structure can allow to store data in raw columns format. Like in Take-It program that needs to store the seat numbers in a matrix, where their corresponding rows and numbers. Fill in the blanks to create a list and print 3D elements. Okay, there's a list that has a 3 item, and we can say print list 2, and it will print the last item. Okay, to access the elements of matrix, we specify the row and column of the item using square brackets. So the code above output the 3D items of a second row. Okay, so it will print this item. Continue. Guess the output of this code. It is a list that has a 1, 2, 3, and 4 item, and when we say print this list and 2, 2, it means print 2 and 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, print 8. Strings. A string can be indexed like a list 2. Indexing a string is like creating a list containing each character in the string. For example, str hello world, print str6, and we'll print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is output of this code? X is Python print x1, it means this, and plus x4, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, yo. Practice, let's go. Write a program that takes an input strings and output the 3D character of the string. This practice is for you. Please do it and comment your answer in comments under this video. We going to check it together in a next video. Okay guys, This lesson will end or finished uh, right now, and we are going to the next lesson in the next video. Thank you guys, and goodbye.